Ziggle TV present.
Come along and sing with me. A to Z, it's fun you'll see. Letters and sounds, loud and clear. Sing along, let's spread some cheer. Animals big and animals small, let's learn their names, we'll know them all. Jump and clap, move and play, let's have fun the learning way. A for alligator, snap, 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 chomping jaws, a mighty clap. B for bear with a big warm lap, furry and strong, a cuddly chap. C for cat, it purrs so sweet, soft and small, curled at your feet. D for dog with paws and feet, wagging its tail, oh so neat. E for elephant, trunk so long, trumpeting loud, big and strong. F for fox, sneaky and strong, clever and quick, all day long. G for giraffe, so very tall, reaching high above them all. H for horse that loves to gallop all, running fast, never will fall. I for iguana, green and slow, climbing trees, watch it go. J for jaguar, watch it go, spotted and swift, moves to and fro. K for kangaroo, jump, jump high, bouncing up into the sky. L for lion, king of the sky, oops, I mean land, oh my. Roaring loud, hear it cry. M for monkey, swinging free, hanging high from tree to tree. N for newt, so small to see, crawling slow, as tiny as can be. O for owl, hoots at night, big round eyes, a wondrous sight. P for penguin, black and white, waddling around left and right. Q for quail, it's shy you know, hiding in grass, moving slow. R for rabbit, hop hop go, floppy ears, tail like snow. S for snake, slithers past, wiggles and slides, moving fast. T for tiger, stripes so fast, through the jungle a shadow cast. U for urchin, in the sea, spiky and round, don't touch me. V for vulture, flying free, gliding high above the tree. W for whale, so big, so grand, sings in the ocean, isn't it grand? X for x-ray, fish clear and bland, see-through skin so unplanned. Y for yak, furry and strong, thick warm coat all winter long. Z for zebra, trot along, black and white like a song. A to Z we sang today, animals, hip hip hooray. Now you know them one by one, letters and sounds, learning is fun.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ziggle TV.